Hey there, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to talk about the robot hands from Cafelat. The robot hands were designed by Paul Pratt to increase comfort when using the robot. Affectionately called the mittens, they're a great accessory for anybody who pulls multiple espresso shots a day. The hands are 36 millimeters in diameter, 13 millimeters thick, and they fit perfectly onto the wrench-shaped levers that come standard on your robot. They are made up of 3 sections, a front section and a back section, both made of CNC machined aluminum, and are held together by a 304 stainless steel screw. Installation of the hands is very, very easy. All you have to do is apply pressure to the head of the screw and twist the back section off. Once removed, place the front section onto the wrench, line the hole up with the screw, keep the screw steady, and twist the backside on. Once the hands are secure, you immediately feel a difference. They contribute to the overall width of the levers, and they smooth out the angled edges that dig into your palms when you apply pressure. By increasing comfortability, it allows you to apply more pressure, giving you a smooth and creamy espresso shot every single time. So that's it for Cafelat's newest robot accessory. If you are looking for a comforting hand to hold each time that you pull an espresso shot, these could be a great upgrade to your robot. You can find them online at primacoffee.com, and thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you saw, you'll be pleased to know there is much more content where that came from. You can check out our website for overviews, comparisons, recipes, and event coverage. And you can help out our channel by liking this video, subscribing, commenting, sharing, or ringing the bell. Happy brewing, y'all.